amazingly enough, so we can see nothing of the dome and nothing in a whole block area around the dome, we can see what looks like 2 inches of the top of the Bank of America tower. We can just see the satellite dishes off the top of the tower, and even that now is about to be obscured by this impenetrable dust cloud. The shot I'm waiting to see is when the dust gets thin enough that we can actually see if there's a dome there at all.
It looks like, I've seen one, looks like a big piece of giant rebar that must be 30 feet, 40 feet tall, just sticking up. Darren Watkins is in Pioneer Square as well.
What can you see, Darren?
Well, we can't see very much. Right after the explosion happened, a large cloud sort of took over the area, turned the daylight into night. The first thing we noticed was chunks of what looked like some insulation come flying off and really filled the street. There's a large powder you can see pretty much all over the area. In fact, this is the kind of stuff that we see. This is the larger pieces of what was flying all the way from the Kingdome, which is about 4 blocks away. It filled the air with dust, and it's starting to thin out just a little bit. Just a few folks that were here in the dust as well saying that they expected to see quite the fireworks and they were excited to see the dome. Then all of a sudden a lot of blinking eyes and things like that because of all of the powder that has covered the area. You can see it's almost about a full quarter of an inch, rather dusty here, that's sort of covered everything. But we're told that that is a fine dust from a lot of the concrete, and that if folks get it on their cars here, they shouldn't try to wipe it off because it can scratch, and in fact they should just try to hose it off. But it's still pretty dark. We're waiting for the clouds to clear right now and see just what we can see of what's left of the Kingdome.
Oh, Darren, that's incredible. The dust has lifted, and we can see the ribs of the dome that were on the roof are now on the ground. The dome is down. The dome is done. The dust is gone.
Let's go to King 5's Jim Foreman up in Sky King. Can't wait to see that picture, Jim.
Yeah.